exercise tool. And it will help you demonstrate how to use the tool. Simply drag it up there.
Please click and hold the thimble to close the micrometer on.
And we will close the thimble. Now, we have 4 scales. We have the spindle revolutionary numbers. Okay? So we have spindle numbers. The spindle numbers are indicated here. Large numbers. Micrometers only measure up to 1 inch. Now they can be different sizes, but they only measure 1 inch. So each spindle scale number is worth 1/10 of an inch. Okay? So in this example, you can see that we are past the 5, but you cannot see the line associated with the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not 6, because you cannot see the line. Therefore, we have not crossed the line. Therefore, we are not to 6. So we have 5 times 0.10. All right? We're going to put 5 into the chart. And then it's asked how many revolutionary scale lines are visible. The lines it's referring to are these. There are 3 lines. The most it can ever be is going to be is going to be 3, and each one is worth, if we're dividing 10 4 times, what can it be? 0.025. So how many do we have here? 3. So we have spindle lines. We have 3 times 0.025. We get the 0.025 because we divided this by 4. The next we have is the secondary graduation line. Now, the secondary graduation line is measured here on the thick black line. This is where people get confused. This is the secondary graduation line. What number is indicated here? 12. We are past the 12, but we are not to the 13. Notice it rotates counterclockwise. So we have 12 secondary graduation scale numbers. They are numbered 1 through 24, and they are worth 0.010 or 0.001. They are 1/1000th of an inch, up to 25. So basically we broke down the spindle lines into this. What did we say this was, 12?
Yep.
All right, and then finally the vernier graduation scale. The vernier graduation scale is red on this side. Your answer will always be between 0 and 1. It can never be anything higher. You read it by lining up whichever one of these is closest. In this case, I would say the 14 is the closest to line up. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, and the 14 is in line with the
5.
5. Okay. So our vernier scale we had 5 at 0.001. Now we simply multiply across. 5 times 0.10 is 0.50. 3 times 0.025 is 0.075. 12 times 0.010, it gives us,
0.12.
thank you, 0.0120, and then 5/10,000ths of an inch. Remember, when adding decimals, you simply line up the decimal place and bring it down. And our answer is 5.875. The sheet I have provided you is a good example for this because it will always be the same. Spindle revolution numbers are worth 0.1. Spindle lines, 0.025. Secondary graduation scale, 0.0120. And the vernier graduation scale, 0.025.